Hi students, welcome to my channel Faisal Physics CIS point-to-point explanation, examination point explanation. In this video, you will be learning problems based on universal law of gravitation. For many students, problems based on universal law of gravitation is difficult when numerical values are not given. That means what will happen to force when the distance is doubled, what will happen to force when mass is doubled, like that. But in this video, you will be finding it very easy. You have to know the relation between force and mass. You can see here force is directly proportional to m1 m2 and force is inversely proportional to distance square. Now let us see the problem. First question, what will happen to force between two objects when mass of one object is doubled? That means he is talking about force and masses. Therefore take only force and masses. F proportional to m1 m2. It is clearly mentioned in the question mass is doubled, so only one mass. So for m1 you can write 2 m1 and m2. Here you can see the value 2. That means the force is increased by 2 times. You have to compare these two equations. So here if you compare these two equations, you can see 2 is more in comparison to first equation. That means force is increased by 2 times or force is doubled. Now second case, mass of both the objects are doubled. Again, relation between force and masses he is asking. F proportional to m1 m2. Both the masses are double. That means m1 is equal to 2m1, m2 is equal to 2m2. So F proportional to 2 into 2, 4 m1 m2. Compare with the first equation here. So here you can see 4 in comparison to first equation is more. That means the force is increased by 4 times. Let's see the third case. Distance between the object is doubled. Here relation between force and distance we have to see. So force is inversely proportional to square of the distance. Now the distance is doubled. That means F proportional to 1 by, in place of d, 2d square. So F proportional to 1 by 4d square. Now compare with the first equation. Here you can see 4 in the denominator. That means the force is decreased by 4 times. The force is decreased by 4 times. Now the last case, distance between the two objects reduced to half. So F proportional to 1 by d square, reduced to half is nothing but d by 2. Now F proportional to 1 by d by 2 and this square as it is, F proportional to 1 by d square by 4. So which implies F proportional to 4 1 by d square. Again compare with the first equation, you can see 4 is more in comparison to first equation. That means the force increases by 4 times in this case.